So why you come and be asking me? Nobody reminded me. It's now that I started it, this last one. Okay, yeah, you should. I just check it out, then I'll give to the program manager to post it. So if we save it, should go well. Not as much as I'm a fan of blogs, plugins. I don't like to write code much. I use plugins like code that people have written. I bring it in, clean it, then inject it. Because this is time wasting. Hard coding is time wasting, but you learning newly is good. All right. If you want, you can see add the border radio and all of that stuff to it. Any questions so far? No, well, before we go to review all what we've done, but so far so good. It's going well. So one very important thing before we go, if you guys are here with me, let's bring this thing down now. You see all this code, we are going to take it. We are going to convert it to external CSS. This is the inner one that we just took. So inner CSS now, you call it, sorry. It's a link, you want to link it, sorry. What is this? Yep. So you say link relationship, that is rare. It's equals to what are you relating to? You are relating to a style sheet. We told you that it's cascading style sheet, right? A lot of people are not here. Okay, they are here. So, and the type is text / CSS, and the href, that is the link, the hyper reference is what is we are going to call it style.css. That is how we're going to code our external file, right? So the file we create, the file name is going to be style.css. That is where we're going to paste it into. We'll save this. So we're going to create file, new file, and then we're going to name it where this one is sitting. This one, I think, is sitting on document, right? It's not sitting in the same file level. You're never going to see it. Then we're going to name it style.css. Save. Okay, there is one there before. I'm going to call it.
I think style 1.
Yes, no, style B. Sorry, style_B.
Okay.
Also, I may have something like that. So I'm going to go back and then call it style_B. Then save again. I'll go back here, and then I will paste our code here. Yeah, if you see the chronology of it. So there's something we've not done. Let's declare a body object. So we're going to declare our background. What color would you want the body to be?
Body.
The total body of the website. You know, it's white, it's the default color, white.
Could try peach.
Peach. Okay. How do you spell it? How do you spell the peach?
P-I-T-C-H.
See?
No, P-E.
Okay, P-E-C-H.
Peach. Spell the peach now.
Eh?
C-H.
H.
Like this?
Yeah,
Yes.
P-E-A-C-H. Yeah.
Okay.
I went to peach on keyboard.
All right. Then I will save. If they are sitting on the same file level, we're going to go right click. There is nothing like that. The pitch that you people say there is nothing like that. Let me show you so that you see. But our code is a reference already, the way we want, except for the pitch. So there is no any spelling like that. Now I know where I go get them from.
They don't have the color. They only have that pitch puff.
Let me
Those
use a
pitch puff,
color.
yeah.
Let me. You say PEAC what? Let me say pitch.
H
Let me see if I will see something like that.
color.
Color picker. Don't worry. Okay. Is it those ones? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there's pitch there now. PEACH.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll just go get the code because this one that people are saying they don't even recognize anything like that. So it's FF D3AC. What this person is an event decorator because this one we don't even use it here. Yes. All right. We'll go back to our code where you say pitch. Then we'll give it this pitch color. And then we save. When we go back to our website, where is it? Huh? Okay, here we refresh. You have pitch. You see the look of pitch that you are looking for? Does it make any? Can you guys see?
It's still loading
It's
here.
still loading.
Oh, wow.
It has not loaded from my end. You see it.
Better load for them. Still loading?
Yeah, it's still loading. I didn't pick that picture. I was not in support before the team load.
All of us there, yeah, Chairman. No blame game.
All
Why
of
are
us
you,
that they do.
why are you running?
Who is
Tell
doing that?
me where you run.
Is it Maki? Is it Jeremiah?
Huh?
Are you the one
Huh?
saying you are not part of it?
No, it's
No,
me.
it's
Okay.
okay, see you. It's okay, see you. Don't be
Okay.
sad.
How far? It has loaded, right?
Yes.
Yes, I does.
So you see, I think it was a lady that picked it for us. It'll be fashion show.
No.
It was one of our. It was
No,
one
guys.
of our agenda that picked it.
Yes, one of our
Our agenda.
from the sweetest kitchen.
Wow, nice.
Okay, it's a good color. At least it's been a while. You've not used a pitch. Now you can. Yes, especially those who does not know, who are not used to certain colors. This is a time to know what a pitch looks like. All right, guys. So how you seeing? How you seeing? Let's go back to our code and then we run through it a bit and then we come back. So now we've done internal CSS and external. This is a very fundamental construct that we use here. The pattern is HTML separately, CSS separately, JavaScript separately, and you link them like we've just done here. You know, we just link it. So the linking pattern for CSS in HTML, if you remember, all goes into the head section, not body. Don't come and put it in the body, even though it will work, but for readability sake, that is not the way in transition we use. So link, you use the word link. The meeting will end in 10 minutes. Let it end because I'm even tired for today. So rel equals to style sheet. This is a relationship to a document. What type of document? The document is a type sheet, right? And what is a data type in that document? It's a text, meaning it's interpreting it that is a strings, right? With on what folder? is on CSS. Already, we're supposed to have created a folder called CSS because it's a CSS. Okay, what do you want me to do? We want you to hype it and reference it to this file. This is the file name. It's as simple as that. So if you have the CSS file sitting in a folder called CSS, you're going to say CSS here, / only. That means go into this folder called CSS. Inside it, pick the one that goes by this name. If you don't want to do this again, you do just period. Means step back a bit. This is what we call local machine coding. This one, this is very advanced form of it. This. Then go into it one step back. If it is 2 steps back, just put 2. We use this a lot so that even if you go online, you will not see our folder to copy. So go 2 steps back into the local of the local machine. That is, you see like C drive, right? These are the C++ that was used to deploy the what's it called? The hardware, the hardware was programmed for you to receive the connectivity between the operating system and the hardware. That connectivity was hard-coded using C++ of every machine. The people that owns it is called Intel. You might have heard of Intel. That is what they do for a living. IBM, Intel was part of IBM, but due to the American politics, I don't know why they separated. So that is part of it. And yeah, so that is it. But now we did not put it in any folder, so no need for this. I'm just trying to tell you all of this. So time will come, you begin to see a longer one that somebody has written it for you. For example, if you are into bootstrapping, if you are into Angular, all you do is just a plugins and you queue it. But that is when you are becoming a pro. But for as far as this one is concerned now, you just be hard coding everything yourself for understanding's sake. Before you go on GitHub, you clone somebody's code and you not even know what to do with it. Then you be calling people to debug it for you. Me, my hand no day inside you. I'm not available to debug. So it's better to understand first. Any question, please? Any question so far? This one, there's something you guys are doing that I don't like. When they give you assignment or exercise, it's for your sake, like for you to, get hands-on. Time will come that you're going to be, paired to do a project. All of this complain of not this, not no now. Like I was able to visit some of my friends today at Federal University of Health Science, and I told him that one of them that if you know that there is something I need to do for you physical on your computer, bring it. I say he does not have a problem. So those are the kind of thing that we are saying. Just take this serious. People invest money, to bring you here. And please don't take that for granted. And people invest a lot of money to get this kind of training. They don't. When I was away, for per hour is not less than $200. If you are bringing me in to speak for an hour. So I know how much World Bank might have put in place to bring all of us here. Please don't take it for granted. Look at it that you paid for this. You just have to look at it. The fact that it's a scholarship does not mean that you take it for granted. So, and this small thing we are doing today, by the grace of God, you see a lot of people giving testimony, about this in few months from now. It's not made in Taiwan, it's Kuru. And by the special grace of God, testimonies will start coming in. My students are traveling all over Europe.
Amen.
My students are traveling all over Europe, landing job in NASA. So I'm proud of this thing that I'm imparting into people. To be honest with you.
Amen. We'll make you proud.
Yeah, a lady studied chemistry from Veritas. And when she came to me, she said she wants to become a coder. I taught her Python, you know, to very large extent, to the level that she was able to pass a UCAST for the undergrad study of computer science. And they admitted her into graduate studies, like master's in software engineering. She finished from Bradford. And, you know, when she gave me the news like 3 weeks ago, I was very happy. The university wrote me a very long mail telling me they have not seen where a chemist, you know, who had a degree in chemistry, now doing a master in software and did very, very, very well. So Emmanuel Adeka is one Idoma, I think at the time she came, she was 20. So those are good things and I have a couple of boys I've trained before in the UAE. They are in NASA, and they are doing a lot of stuff there for themselves and for their family. So don't take this thing for granted. Don't be like that Onyeka in Onitsha. He does not want to do one boy, but he wants to become Oga Nkoro in the next 2 days. No, you have to first of all have to learn, you know, the trade before you obtain whatever you want to obtain. Yeah, so I usually give this kind of speech to my students, and I think you are a very special one to listen to it too. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. If you have a question, bring it up. We are here for you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome,
I'm really
sir.
appreciate.
You're welcome.
Hope we can get this your code and be practicing with it.
Yes, this we wrote it together. I will share them to the program manager, and he will share with you guys with the slides.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry,
you're welcome.
I'm trying.
sorry, one more thing.
Yes.
One more thing. Please, I want to encourage us that each time that we say we should share our comments and suggestion, the rest, please let's endeavor to do that. It's very important so that the sponsor of this program, they will know how far we are going and if we are really comprehending and if there's any way that we can make it possible for people to understand better, and suggestions is welcome. And also do not forget to like our page on YouTube and throw your comment as well. Thank you.
And subscribe.
Welcome.
Subscribe to our comments. Turn on the bell. Thank you. Have a very wonderful evening. God bless you. See you on it's Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
All right.
Yes.
So much. All right. Good night.
Good
Good
night,
night,
sir.
sir. Good night, everybody.
Good night.